Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Shanaza Aurarilke, NPM 234111092. Here I will discuss the material Ethic and Social in International Business. Understanding the fundamental of international business ethics. 1. Business ethics are the moral participant, the good business conduct in ensuring alignment with the value of the fairness, honestly, and responsibility. And then in the global context, ethics become more intricate owing of the variation in culture, legislation, and norms across nations. And then 2, why is business ethics significant in international business? Mitigating cross-cultural conflict that may jeopardize by company reputation, and then fostering relationship with international stakeholders, including government, local communities, and investors. Increasing trust among global concerned who are increasingly concerned about ethical issues. Mitigating legal risks associated with violating international standards. And then 3, characteristic of international business. Business ethics embraces relativism as a moral standing differ across countries, multifaceted, encompassing economic, social, culture, political, and environment dimension. And then strategic, as good ethics can provide competitive advantage. Ethical dilemmas in global commerce. Ethical dilemma. 1. Cultural relativism. What is regarded as acceptable in one nation may be perceived as ethical in another. The tradition of presenting business gift in considered culture in Japan. However, it might be perceived as a very bad in the United States. And then 2, corruption and bribe practice in certain countries. Informal culture might endorse facilitate payments. We are another such parties and consider significant violation. And then 3, human rights include child labor, gender discrimination, and inequitable wages. And then 4, environmental deterioration. Multinational companies sometimes move factory the countries with lax environmental regulation, resulting in pollution. And then 5, immoral products. Selling dangerous product without complete clinical trials in development countries. Factor affecting global ethical standard. 1. Culture value. Each nation embodies a unique value system, encompassing individualism versus collectivism, power distance, and tolerance for uniquity. And then 2, political. The legal framework. Countries with strong legal framework require elevated ethical standard, when in nations with lax regulation, companies may function with increased autonomy. And then 3, economic pressure. Global competition frequently diverse companies to minimization expenses, ecosocially, and comparing ethical standard. And then 4, worldwide consumer expectation. An international company is increasingly apprehensive regarding human rights, environment concerns, and sustainability. Thus, nascently corporate transparency. And then five, the impact of the media and international ethical scandal can repeat dissemination through international media, requiring companies to the exercise continue. Advantage of ethical and corporate social responsibility for multinational corporation. 1. Enhancing the global reputation of the company, which is ethical, forests a great trust among customer, investor, and business partners. And then 2. Mitigating legal and social risks, preventive finance, boycotts, or dispute with local communities. And then 3. Fostering employee loyalty, employees exhibit increased pride in their association with a company, the proprieties ethical standard. And then 4. Establishing competitive advantage, ethics and corporate social responsibility can function as distinguishing factor that empower a company to thrive in the global marketplace. And then 5. The long-term sustainability of business organization that emphasizing environmental and social responsibility with demonstrate great resilience during times of crisis. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) in global business. 1. Defining CSR. The organization dedication to fostering sustainable economic development while improving the quality of life for employees, local communities, and the global society. And then 2. Aspect of CSR economy. Business must persist in generation robust profits. And then legal addresses to the laws in all countries of operation. Ethics, doing the right thing even if it is not required by law. And then philanthropy, the act of making voluntary contribution to society. CSR approach, social obligations, simply meeting fundamental responsibility such as tax payment, stockholder obligation, meeting the interests of all stockholders, rather the socially as stakeholders. And then CSR a moral obligation, managerial process, corporate social responsibility as a fundamental element of sustainable business strategy. And then illustration of global CSR implementation, multinational corporation implementation, educational initiative for local communities, mitigating carbon footprint via renewable energy source, and ensure supply chain are free from child labor. Okay, conclusion. Ethics and social responsibility in international business strategic component that the only significant a company moral commitment, but also play a vital role in establishing a global reputation, managing cross culture and legal risks, and fostering competitive advantage and long-term sustainability in a increasingly anchored and global integrated business landscape. Okay, thank you for your attention. I will end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.